I'm standing, we are going to put a bathtub, and we are going to make it a shower because my bedroom is huge. So as you can see, there are cuts here where I didn't put some tiles because I'm waiting for the right time for me to get the money to put the basic things that I need here. But let me just show you what we have here. I have two basins. This one is for the face because, as you can see, I cannot wash my face at the same time use the same water to bath. So this is my other basin where I'm going to wash my whole body. I'm just going to add, this is just cold water. I'm going to add a little bit of hot water where I'm going to bath my whole body. And yeah guys, basically we use this daily village. I'm going to take this small basin and put it on top of a chair so that I will be able to bath my face. Then after finishing bathing my face, then I'll come back and wash the rest of my body in the other basin. So yeah, basically this is how life it is for us. You can see inside this basin there's like something like look like salt. Our water has a little bit of salt in them, so I don't know. So tell me guys if you have something like that in your location, wherever you are. But because we are using a borehole water, the water is coming underground. Some section of our village, they don't have that big of a salt, but ours has the salt. That is why you cannot bath without using a foam bath or the shower gel if you can, like, because if you can use the bath soap only, the water it gets a little bit like, I don't know, it either it's like oil or the bath soap just make a little bit oil and the water becomes thick and so forth. Yeah, I'm just explaining a lot of things I know, but basically this is how we bath and this is how it is here in the village. So I'm going to go ahead and bath. I don't know, I'm going to go out today and I don't know whether I'm going to take you along there because it is very tricky to vlog in town, or because you know we are in South Africa. So yeah, my face is done, clean washed. I'm going to go ahead and then take my other, and then I'm going to wash my body, and when all that is done, then I'm going to come back to my face and just finish cleaning, doing all the stuff. So after that we are done and we are leaving. Guys, never mind, I had a little bit of the flu or a cold. I don't know what it is because I think it's because the weather is changing now, and basically that's how it's going to be. We all know here in South Africa it's winter now, or we are going deep into winter. So yeah, I'm going to take a bath right now. I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometime. Okay guys, I'm done with my bath. Before I went to bath, I made myself porridge, which I'm going to eat right now. This is powder milk and I put custard, peanut butter and rama on it. I'm going to have that, and then after that I'm going to get dressed because I'm not yet dressed. I just bath and lotion my body, and I'm going to eat after that. Then we'll see what is going to happen. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. So guys, I just came outside and I saw this, and I said, let me just show you the goats that are making noise when I'm doing my videos. Do you see how village life is? So look at just this goat. Look how comfortable it is. Just look at this goat. Sometimes I'll be so surprised because I'll be inside. I will see one goat coming inside the house. Like they don't have no shame. Just look. It's so relaxed. It's like it behaves like a dog. You know when you have a dog in your house and your dog is so comfortable around you? These are these goats. They do that. Can you just imagine? I just wanted to show you guys that please, whenever you hear a dog or a goat or anything crying on my videos, only know that it is because they are here and they are just themselves, just playing around, and they are so used to us, they don't run away when they see us. So that's my Lala. I love him so much. Always when he sees the goats, he just beat them. But that does not make the goats to go away. And the other thing that the goats make, because they are goats, they just, you see, those are the food for them, and we are just trying to make a place where they are going to stay permanently, not around, not in front of our yard, because that does not serve us good, guys. That does not, it is not good. Yeah, we are preparing to leave, and I hope I'll be able to vlog. But if not, maybe some other time, because I don't know how my day is going to be like.